everybody. Tony is still here. So in this video I wanted to show you how we can add a simple cinematic scene in our game, and first of all let's see the final result. So we're entering the room and bam, we have these camera movements showing us something, and we have this little robot following us. You can please check my previous video if you wanted to have the same static mesh functionality, static mesh following you functionality in your project. So where is textures? As usual. So let's make this from the scratch. We have this level without any cinematic anything, just our robot. So first of all, let's create level sequence. Robot sequence 2, fresh and shiny. So let's add camera here, and we need to adjust the settings a little. Please remove constraint aspect ratio here, just to remove these black areas. And I wanted to also play with focal length. I think something like this will be, yeah, this one looks good. So we need just 2 transform points here, and just something like this. Let's add another point. Let's play it. Yeah, just smooth movement. That's good. So in my game, making an indie game about some underground laboratory doing some illegal stuff, and in my game there will be some storytelling items like dialogues, characters, but in our demo robot is enough. And also I recommend to enable can blend feature here. So with this thing, let me show you, we can make transition between first person camera view and our sequence camera view smoother. So we will have this kind of delay between camera views, and this will be like, looks like a project. Okay, 2AA maximum, but anyway. So I think we're good to go here. Let's drop our robot sequencer here, and we also need a trigger box. Trigger box. So let's put it, I think, like here. Just I wanted to adjust like this and like this. Yeah, I think that's good. So if our player will enter the room, 100% he will cross our trigger box and we'll see cutscene. Let's save it, and actually that's almost it. Let's go to the level blueprint. I want to add overlap on actor begin overlap. Oh, I don't want to have it on robot sequence. I want to have it on my trigger box. Overlap. Yes, trigger box. Cast to first person character. That means we want to check what, and only we want to show cutscene only if first person character entering the room, not something else. And also I wanted to create a reference to robot sequence 2. Let's add play sequence player, and actually that's it, my friends. So let me describe you the logic, compile and save for sure. So if first person character overlapping our trigger box, Unreal Engine will show robot sequence 2 cutscene. Easy. So let's save it and let's test it actually. So we are entering the room and we have this smooth movement showing us something. Of course you have to adjust your entering points, camera movement, etc., because right now it's not so cool, but we are just demonstrating how it works. And of course this thing will work even twice, and you have to play with do once block a little to make this happen only once if you want to so if you want your player to see cutscene only once, because in our case I can see this like 5 times in a row, 10 times in a row. And yeah, and let's final test. Bam, robot is still following us, and oh la la, smooth and cool. Oh, hello buddy. Yeah, you win. So actually that's it, and thanks for watching.